everybody, it's Tess at Love This Yarn, and I hope everybody's having a great day. I know I am, even though I've been awake since 4 a.m. Yes, my dog, my pit bull that is, he was having a nightmare last night, and about 4 a.m. he let out a blood-curdling howl. I mean, it scared the bejesus out of me. And me and my husband woke up. We're like, what? What's going on? Yeah, we didn't know. We're like, okay, is there a deer outside? Is there a coyote outside? Because there's coyotes right across the road in the golf course. They live there. I am not joking. Well, we didn't know. We didn't know what it was. But apparently, it was our dog having a nightmare because he was still sound asleep in his little bed, which is right next to our bed, which is why it woke us up. So, yeah. So, despite being awake since 4 a.m., it is now, what time is it? Like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm still going. And I still got a lot done today. And here comes my son with the mail. Anything good, son?
Joanne's.
Joanne's coupons?
Yeah, I'm just like,
Shh. Don't tell. Okay, bye, son.
yeah.
So, anyway, as you guys can tell, my son is home from school because he had a little mini fall break. Already, yeah. He's only been in school 6 weeks. But they had off yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So he came home, let's see, when did he come home? I guess Tuesday afternoon after classes. So that's really nice because I really like it when he's home. Because he's my baby and I miss him. You know it. Okay, the other really super exciting thing that happened was yesterday my Crochet Society Box came. So I am going to do a little unboxing for my Crochet Society Box. And I'm going to do that right now. Working on a Ross hat. Look at that. It's coming along. Okay, now I already have this ready to go. Okay, are you all ready? I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful box? Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's see. I love that sound. Oh, did y'all see that? The book just like slid right out of there. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. That's it. That's the book. Okay, that's exciting. We'll see what kind of patterns are in there in just a minute. Let's get this opened. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this. All right. Woo. Ooh, look. Look at that pretty mustard. Ooh, we got some stuffing. Amigurumi time. Woohoo! I love amigurumi. Okay, so we have some gray, and it looks like some mustard color, and stuffing. Ooh, and we have of course, a hook. Look how pretty that is. Wow, what size is that? Oh my gosh, it's a 4.5. Can y'all believe that? Everything we normally get is like so tiny. I don't use those tiny hooks. 4.5, that's a size 7. I actually do use the size hook. It's about the smallest hook I would use. Here it is. Okay, that's exciting right there. All right, let's see. What else do we have? Little amigurumi eyes. See that? Little eyes. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It's a little hedgehog. Little hedgehog stitch marker. How incredibly cute. Okay, and it's in the same color as the hook. That's pretty cool. And let's see. Oh my gosh, and we got a pin. Look at that. Little hedgehog pin. How cute. I can put that on a project bag. That'll look real nice. Yeah. Okay, and let's see. We got one more thing. This. What is this? Let's see. Let me get this opened up. Crochet Society yarn cutter. Huh, that's different. Okay. Well, let's see if I can get the darn yarn cutter out of there. Oh my goodness gracious alive. Look, everybody. Little hedgehog. Little hedgehog yarn cutter, and then it's got a blade in the end. Can you see that? Little blade in the end right there. Well, that is darling. Oh my goodness. Then we got the stuffing. Let's see. Ooh. We also have a little container. Oh, it's so cute. It's got leaves on it. Can you see that? Leaves. And it's orange. That's pretty cool. Let's see if there's anything inside. Oh my. Woo. Look at that. I think it's supposed to be a hedgehog. Look. I am guessing this is felted. Can you tell that's felted? I'm guessing this is a pin cushion or something. Like maybe a pin cushion for like T-pins for blocking. Maybe. Maybe not. Your guess is about as good as mine right now, but we'll find out. We'll look at the little booklet. Yeah. Okay, and then the yarn that we have, let's see, it's Bella Coco yarn. It says Bella Coco Crochet Irresistible Aran. Ooh, and that's in the color, well, there is no real color. Oh, by the way, this is made in Turkey. The color says 10344. And I don't see, I don't see like a name. But it's gray. It's like a grayish beige. It's like a beige with a lot of gray in it, I think. It's hard to tell. Okay, this one is color number 11586, and it's definitely a mustard yellow. That is mustard yellow. And this is 60% cotton and 40% premium acrylic. So that's a really nice little cotton blend. 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. Awesome. I'm loving it already. Oh, yes. Okay. And let's see. Oh, and of course, we got the little conversion chart for UK and US, because we're so different in what we call things. Which Go figure, right? I don't know why. But here's the book. So let's have a quick look at what the patterns might be, because I am super curious to see this. Okay, let's see. We have, ooh, we have a cow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful cow. Looks like it has a puff stitch in it. No, it's a bobble. It's called Keep Out the Cold with This Cozy Bobble Cow, and it's called Newport Cow. All right, so that's one pattern. And then let's see. Oh, and there's the picture again. All right, let's see what the other pattern is. Oh my gosh, Buffy the Butterfly. Little amigurumi butterfly. How cute is that, everybody? Buffy the Butterfly. Meet Buffy the Butterfly. She's very cheerful, and nothing gives her more joy than flying around the beautiful flowers in her garden. Well, isn't that sweet? Okay, let's see. Now let's see if we have any other patterns. Oop, got a little real life hedgehog. How cute is that? You gotta admit, hedgehogs are cute. Okay, let's see. Oop, looks like we have one more pattern. Melted marshmallow socks. Wow. Those look like nice socks. It says melted marshmallow socks. When the nights start getting shorter, there's nothing better than curling up by the fire with cozy socks and a hot chocolate. I agree. Okay, I think that is it for the patterns. I think there was just 3 patterns in here. I'm pretty sure there's just 3 patterns. Yes, just 3 patterns. What's in your box? Oh, the little orange animal that I showed you that was felted, it is a pen cushion. That's right. All right. Okay, that is it for the Crochet Society unboxing. I hope everybody liked it and enjoyed it. And if you did,